folks, this is another grocery haul because you guys said the last one was helpful. We're doing New Year's dinner, so I wanted to show you. This is a fillet of salmon. That's €2.49. Here's some turkey steaks. That's $2.73. This is gonna be for breakfast tomorrow. That's $3.27. I forgot how much the eggs are. I'll look on the receipt. This is ginger. And this is a big thing of ginger. Like, look how big that is. These are oranges. That was $1.39. It's okay. And these are, what are these, tangerines? What are these? Yeah. Tangerines. 43 cents for 3. Zucchini for making dinner tonight. 160. And this is green onion. That's 24 cents. I forgot how much the potatoes were. I'll check the receipt for that. Let's see, this was, it does not say. Broccoli, that's $1.44. Another thing of oranges, and that is 96 cents. How much was this one? That's a big thing of potatoes, so let me try to find the receipt for that so you'll know how much that is. Okay, so I finally found the receipt. So for the potatoes, it was here, $2.37 for that large bag of potatoes. So I thought that was a really good price.